Adding effects to your video is a great way to make a video stand out. Here's how you can do it. Start by opening your project and import your video. Once you have imported it, drag it to the timeline like this. Now, in order to add the effects, click on the Effects tab right here. You will see a wide range of effects organized into categories like opening and closing, nightclub, lens. Simply browse through the options and select the effect you want to use. Okay, I want to add some dreamy effect. Let me search for a glow effect. Here, as you can see, the glow effect is right here. Drag it to your timeline like this. Adjust its duration in the timeline like this. Now for more customization, click on the video like this. Now you can adjust its intensity from here. Click on adjustment, scroll down, and you can adjust its colors from here. Adjust it like this. Okay, let me adjust it like this. Now preview your video to make sure the effect looks just right. Let's preview it. As you can see, your video looks super good. Repeat these steps to add as many effects as you like. Let me add this one too. You can add it in your timeline like this. Let's play it again. As you can see, your effect has been added successfully. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more editing tips. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.